I believe their core mission is to provide students with learning beyond classrooms. Although it is a paradigm shift because subtle in our community, I will share a personal experience that when we take students out of the classroom and the classroom walls fade away and we take them in an open environment, you face a lot of criticism because this is something new and it is very difficult to get adjusted to new things, to new routines. Sometimes you may be facing a challenge that they are creating indiscipline because you have to take students out of the class. So, but these things, they should not be the stumbling block in your way. Whenever you learn by doing, when students get involved, and these young minds, when they are provided with the tools to learn, they don't come up with the data. They come up with solutions. They find solutions, and their perspective changes forever. This is the live example. I have realized it myself that when students find the impacts of their documentation, they realize that they don't need to be adults in order to have a impact on the community at a national or global level. They understand that they can bring the change just now. This is what I learned myself while doing this, while dealing with these young minds. And one more thing, आप बिलीव करेंगे कि जैसे मूवीज़ में हम कहते हैं ना कि कोई कैरेक्टर में इतना घुस गया, तो मैं इस प्रोजेक्ट में इतना घुस गई, फॉर अ व्हाइल मुझे लगा मैं वीगन ही बन जाऊँ. Seriously, I found that connected myself with other forms of life. कि and you know perspective कैसे change हो जाता है. Before doing the project, every other organism, our project was by the way sustainability and biodiversity. So before the project, every insect, every organism, it was something normal. But when we started doing it, all the students, they got connected with every form of life. In fact, students who were not a part of the project, they would come to me with insects in matchboxes. मैम मुझे घर में ये मिला, ठीक है? तो इतना connection, and then I don't know how this got communicated to them कि फिर खुद से ही ये भी था कि no, we have to keep it somewhere safe. It should not come under our feet. तो एक उस sense I was realizing that it is a shift. It is a shift that their perspective of looking at other forms of life is changing. ठीक है? So since they also understood that we ourselves are biodiversity, we are not a part of biodiversity, we are ourselves biodiversity. And if we see the first activity of this sustainability and biodiversity, environment as a shared space, this was so beautiful. I really love it, and I have all the appreciation for the persons, for the people who have just framed it. Environment as a shared space, पहली बार बच्चों को लगा कि yes, ये तो सारे हम भी तो हैं इन्हीं के साथ. We are not something separate beings from other forms of life. ठीक है? So this was the first thing that connected students with other forms of life. जब उनको लगा कि एक छोटा सा organism भी हमारे लिए एक role play करता है, and every other form, whether it is a plant or it is something, बहुत सारे हमने I don't remember how many species did we document. पहले उनकी तरफ कभी ध्यान भी नहीं गया था, but then so thankful that we got an opportunity to work on this project. I myself learned a lot by doing this. And one more thing, जब स्टूडेंट्स जब ये वाला काम करते हैं जिसमें वो खुद इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं, उनकी जो क्रिएटिविटी है ना, we help them in finding and just bringing that out of them. ठीक है? They are not aware sometimes what they have. I had some students who were, जैसे शंका सर ने बोला, who were good at drawing. They put their everything, their every effort. And you know, while doing this project, जैसे मैंने कहा कि ये नहीं था कि खाली project template बनाना सीखना. We had a motivation. Definitely, I will accept it. While doing this, I told my students, do you want to fly with me to Bangalore? They were yes ma'am. So they got interested, they became inquisitive learners, but at the same time that motto was there that we have to go to APU campus and we have to see the biodiversity there. And those 3 days we had a wonderful experience. It was a beautiful experience there. We got to, it was not that we had been there for receiving an award only, We were staff members who were accompanying students. We were all involved in different kinds of activities like craft making, bird watching. Early in the morning, one day it was at 5 only that my students, they were ready, ma'am हमें birds देखने जाना है. So, and I was very happy when I saw them. They are happy and they are enjoying. So ये सारा कुछ, it was a wonderful experience, and at the same time, being awarded at a national level or a state level, it is incredibly a proud moment. But I believe that the true victory is changing the consciousness, bringing a change in one's consciousness, bringing that paradigm shift. ठीक है, एक lifelong अगर हम देखेंगे कि our बच्चे और they are developing a lifelong commitment to our Mother Earth, I think that is the biggest victory that we can ever have.